You designed a piece of jewelry to produce, but you are not really sure what to do when it comes to gold plating. In our last video, we mentioned it depends on the market segment and end customers you would like to focus on. Maybe you just want a hint of color, or you want it to last long enough for years to come. Whatever it is, the first thing you should know is Micron when ordering with gold plating. When most people think about gold plating, they picture it as coating something in paint. Well, that's true on an aesthetic level, but there's actually a scientific measurement used in the process of gold plating. And we as a jeweler, micron is the unit that we use to communicate the thickness you need. What's a micron? A micron is 1/1000th of a millimeter. It means it is a thin layer of gold coated on the object through electroplating. The range of plating thickness is usually 0.5 to 3 microns. Usually, it is where the term vermeil lingers. Check out a video specifically explain the topic on vermeil. Obviously, the thicker the gold, the longer it lasts for. Also, the cost will be more expensive. To be hassle-free, our jewelry experts will provide professional advice on how thick your plating should be according to your needs and design. After the production, if you would like to ensure your products are made as required, we are able to provide an in-house test report to test your order for free of the micron thickness by using our machine called Fisher. Or we can also work with third-party testing labs such as SGS with additional costs if it is required. Let's wrap up here. If you have any questions about jewelry production, drop us your questions in the comment box below. Maybe we can talk about that next time. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. See you in the next video.